Presentation was on a study that is still ongoing, so it was some early preliminary data where we have post-operative ACL reconstruction, knee replacement, hip labral repair, so really any orthopedic surgery. We are monitoring body composition, muscle mass, and resting metabolic rate to see how the energy demand of the body changes from before surgery through multiple time points after surgery. We measure them with the same assessments at pre-op, 1, 3, 6, and 12 weeks post-op. So far, we have found that the resting metabolic rate and kcal expenditure in these individuals, they are males and females, not specifically females. The kcal expenditure has dropped immediately after surgery, so 1 week, 3 weeks. It starts to increase again around 6 weeks and rebounds close to baseline around 12 weeks. But we're finding mostly that it is tracking with their physical activity patterns rather than their eating habits or their previous exercise capacity. This is both in athletic and non-athletic populations, and so it can be disseminated to the broader population, which is great. Everybody needs awareness, not just athletes have surgery. Our goal and hypothesis is to figure out what the caloric need should be in individuals. We have a registered sports dietitian that is a co-investigator on the study, and so she's been monitoring their nutritional intake, looking at the macronutrient breakdown. Do we need more protein to help with tissue repair and kind of mitigating the trauma of orthopedic surgery? And we'll dive further into that once we have a more substantial sample size, which we're getting very close on. They have noted that there is a need. There is definitely a lack of awareness in this area of research, and so just the fact that we're doing it and we're trying to get it done timely and get the information out to the population is going to be helpful and useful when people are undergoing some type of traumatic surgery, orthopedic surgery specifically, and looking at what kind of recommendations they can be given before they even go into surgery to help support the wound healing and tissue remodeling once they're recovering from their surgery. So the Female Athlete Conference was hosted in Boston, Massachusetts this year. It's every other year. It is a way for women and people that support female athletes to get together, share their stories, find inspiration, and learn kind of how the differences amongst males and females physiologically, psychologically are different, and to highlight the research that is done specifically in female athletes to help enhance the field, improve awareness. There's just really a lack of research in female athletes overall. They probably represent 30 to 40% of all published studies right now, and so we're trying to help emphasize the growth and dissemination of what we do know in that population.